Welcome back. It's time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George, and we're getting ready for Halloween.
We are getting ready for Halloween. I loved themed food items, and I think it's very important that we talk about certain products which work great with our recipe. And today, oh gosh, look, we're making some lovely jack-o'-lantern quesadillas. And so Halloween night, you come home, everybody's tired, wanting to get into the bag of candy, and we need something quick to eat. Gosh, let's go ahead and continue the Halloween theme. So what we are going to do today is we're going to do jack-o'-lantern pizzas, get your kids involved, get them to keep being acclimated to the Halloween season. We're going to use some Mission Street Taco tortillas. So these are fairly new. I love the size of them because, they're little, but there's a reason and a purpose. Like street tacos obviously should be little and folded, but work great for a quesadilla and specifically for a kid. So top and bottom here, this is where you get your child involved if you want, or you get Stephanie involved.
She's putting me to work.
Yes. Okay. So what you do is with your sharp knife, you have your kid or yourself, however creative you want, you cut out a little face with your knife into the tortilla. So I'm going to let you cut, and I'm going to keep talking.
Yes.
So typically, like if you want, you can do an uncut one and then put the decorated one on top. You can absolutely do that. I'm going to see what you come up with here. From here, I mean, honestly, as easy as it comes, you can use a skillet, you can use a pizza cooker, you can throw it in the oven, and if you're really lazy, just put it in the microwave. But what we're going to do, we're going to use some turkey pepperoni. No sauce needed here. We're not making pizza, I promise. So we are going to put some turkey pepperoni, a little bit of diced chicken, and anything else that your child likes, maybe some peppers, maybe no peppers, who knows, and then just a little bit of cheese. So you build the base on the bottom, and the lid, also known as the face, is going to go right on top. So once you get this all put together, much like this, I can't wait to see what we're coming up with. Once you get this all put together, you're going to want to cook the bottom side first, kind of let everything melt, and then you can flip it if you use a skillet or simply just use that pizza cooker or your oven and finish it out. So easy to do, absolutely easy to do. Can be used as a meal, and gosh, leading up to Halloween, use it as a snack if you want, but these street taco size are great. And for anybody that's watching carbohydrate intake or are worried about that, the Mission Street Tacos actually have a very low carb option as well. Oh, do we got a mean one here?
Yeah,
we even have eyebrows.
Make it mean.
We have eyebrows and everything. Oh my goodness, look at that. Should we put yours on? Look at, we'll go right here. Put it on. Final product right there. Love it. So just literally a couple seconds in the microwave to melt the cheese or crisp it up, much like these, in a pizza cooker, and dinner is served in a legit 10 minutes.
This is also easier than carving pumpkins.
Oh my goodness, yes. Let's just carve some tortillas and call it a day.
Yeah, right.
And not messy and slimy.
Exactly. Yes. Kaiti, thanks. We'll have the recipe on our website.